got the wild style, always been a foul child. My guns go boom boom and your guns go
Hey guys, what's going on? Zeppination here. Back with another programming tutorial as a request from a couple people. This is a little bit more advanced from the original refresher that I made. It's going to be 3-speed, and you're also going to be able to choose your URL from the program start. So I already made the layout here of what you need. You're going to need one web browser, 3 checkboxes, 1 label if you really need it, 1 text box, and 2 buttons and a timer. So let's get started. Start by double clicking our start to code it. Oh yeah, FaceTime's later today, or whenever I get this on the internet. So timer 1. Mic problems. Alright. So in here, and it's loading a little more. Okay. More mic problems. Oh geez. Trying to get it so you guys can still hear me, and at the same time I won't have to type around it. And it's deciding to load. Hang on. Alright, so it's back now. So timer1 dot enable fucking mic, I swear to Christ. Enabled equals true. And for stop, we're going to do the exact opposite, just like in the other refresher. Timer1 dot enabled equals false. Okay, there it goes. Actually, we're only going to be coding in the start, stop, and timer 1. Nothing else needs coding. So that's pretty cool. I've not only have I made it advanced, I've also compressed it into 3 things we have to code. But timer 1 is probably the most advanced that we're going to be needing. We're going to be using if and then statements. So start by, let's see, go back to the coding for the start button and do web browser 1 dot navigate, and in parentheses put text box 1 dot text, and let that load up. There we go. And what that does will whatever's in that text box that you have for the URL, it'll take that URL and put it into it and navigate to it. Alright, so let's get to the if statements. If checkbox 1 dot checked, then, and you'll get an end if at the bottom of it. So if checkbox 1 dot checked, then checkbox 2 dot enabled equals false, and come on, load up a little. Alright, there we go. Checkbox 3 dot enabled equals false. And what that does is it makes it so you can't use any more of the checkboxes while that one is checked. And now to the actual part. Okay. Web browser. Whoa, caps. Web browser 1 dot refresh And remember, this is for checkbox 1. This is going to be the slowest speed. Refresh. Put the parentheses and the double quotes. Whoa. God damn it. I fucking hate that so bad. Let me change this. There we go. Refresh. Double quotes. And in that quotes, it'll be... So this is slow speed, so we're going to make it 13 seconds. So put 13,000 because it goes in 1,000th of a second. Okay. Now, the next if then, we're going to copy paste this 2 more times. And just change things around so it goes a little faster. Okay, so this one right here, change that to checkbox 2, and the very last one, checkbox 3. So we're also going to change these, checkbox 1.enabled equals false, and we don't have to change the third one because that's the already correct one. Change this one to checkbox 2, and finally checkbox. Checkbox 1 and then checkbox 2. Now to change the refresh speeds. This one's going to be medium speed, so it's going to be a little faster than the slower. That will be 8,000, so 8 seconds. And then the fastest speed, we'll make it to 5,000. I think that's it for this. Oh yeah, and to make it look very nice, you come over here to the properties for the form, and the fore color, which is the red you see, is usually text, and you come up a little further and the back color is actually the very back part, the black and everything. So thank you guys for watching. Comment what you want me to do next. See you later, guys. Bye.